Okay, just in time for the sunset. We are here, literally, bottom of Del Cerro Boulevard, 5402. Beautiful mid-century modern style home. Wanted to get here in time for the sunset. Check it out. Here's the sun, hasn't quite set. This beautiful sitting area. Views out. This is west we're looking. Up the hill into the house. They've done an awesome job of updating this home. Notice when we come inside, much quieter, new windows, really cuts down on sound and keeps the temperature constant. You can see there's the sun setting. Here's our view out towards Mission Valley. We're on the entry level, nice fireplace. Dining room, breakfast nook area, your kitchen, all updated countertops. View out your kitchen window, your range. Nice updated bathroom, modernized fixtures. Show you quickly. They updated the garage as well with a nice epoxy flooring. And there's that new door that we saw from the outside. The home itself sits on just over ½ an acre of land here in Del Cerro. A lot of that land is in the front of the home, but a good ½ acre of it is this backyard. You can see the beautiful canyon view. And then out to the west, this is Navajo Canyon. And here in the distance, this is Mission Trails Park. Maybe you've heard of the 5-Peak Challenge. You can see the peaks here that you would be engaging in. So, main entertaining space up here when you first come in. So your guests, your great meals. Now let's take a moment, we'll go downstairs. So immediately when you come downstairs, there's a loft type of space here. Under the stairs, storage. Again, those nice views. Taking a moment here. Go down the hallway. So we're going to go, you can see here, linen closets. Plenty of storage. You got, again, the views. Nice sized bedroom. Updated bathroom. So they did the nice countertops. Vanity. Inlaid tiles, very nice look to it. So you've got this Jack and Jill bathroom and 2 bedrooms here. And then we'll pop next door into the master. So again, nice large master bedroom. You can even hear by the change in the echo. They did put a mirror wall up. Give you lots of light and the illusion of a bedroom that's twice the size. Of course, it gets confusing if you're in bed and you see twice the bed, but that's a whole other story, not for home touring. And in the bathroom, you've got this wonderful floor-to-ceiling window. Really beautiful metallic tile. And a bathroom shower for somebody who loves water and water pressure. You've got the rain head, 3 dials. Looks like you can pretty much get squeaky clean in here. So, double vanity. And I will now take you back upstairs so we can take a quick look at the beautiful sunset as our day finishes. So again, this is the loft space. There's the stairs up. We've got 2 bedrooms down here and a 3rd master suite at the end of the hall. 14 steps up to the main level, where we have lots of light coming in. You can see the beautiful golden colors as the day comes to an end. And what I'll do is take you out front for one moment, and we'll call it a day here at 5402 Del Cerro Boulevard. We'll be out here Saturday and Sunday from 1 to 3 hosting a virtual open house. Feel free to call us or contact us online during the live time. And if you would like to have the person hosting it walk around the property like I am now, we'll give you an opportunity to take a look. Wishing you well. Thank you all for joining me this evening.